fatty brisket. Got my barbecue shoes.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some pit pasta on the grill, and it's real easy to do. All right, we got some sausage here. I got a natural casing sausage, and we're going to need about 2 pounds of it, all right? And you're also going to need a pound of bacon, all right? Because you got to have bacon with this pit pasta. And here we've got some ground chuck, and you're going to need a couple pounds of ground chuck. All right, that's meat for the pasta. Now we want to do here is we're going to smoke up this bacon. And you know how to do that if you watched our vids before, right? You just put that bacon opposite the hot coals, and we're going to slow cook it. Maybe about 250, 275 degrees for maybe about 2 hours, right? Man, it is good. Now, we're also going to smoke up the sausage or cook up the sausage a similar way, all right? Now, this here is natural casing, and you want to use your natural casing, all right, for best flavor, and also it gives a nice crunch bite when it's done. All right, now this is the way we're going to do it. We're going to take a couple of skewers and skewer this baby up. You've seen this done before, right? It just helps you handle this a little bit easier, man, during this slow cook here. All right? Just take those skewers and just throw it right through, just like that. All right, perfect to handle and flip while you're lowing and slowing. Now, again, we're going to put this sausage opposite the hot coals, just like that. You can trim those skewers if you want, but heck, it's up to you. And here we're going to add a couple of chunks of apple wood. All right? Add a little bit of smoke. Put the cover on, and like I said, it's going to take about 2 hours at 250 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Now what I'm doing is heating up some water. I got about 6 or 7 quarts of water. And we're going to get it good and hot, rolling, boiling right there before we use it. And you're also going to need some veggies. Now, you can turn your eyes away if the veggies got you nervous, but we're going to chop up these veggies. Here we got an onion. I'm going to dice up an onion like this. You know all about that, right? And we've got some garlic there too, and we've got some jalapenos, although that's optional, and I'll show you what we're going to do with those. And we've got a green bell pepper. Man. Now here, this is not your Aunt Bee's casserole we're doing here. You know, that casserole or pasta casserole that shows up at every picnic. Same old, right? Yeah, this is different. Definitely want to make this up in your next family picnic. All right, through the miracle of time, we've chopped up these veggies. Man, easy enough, right? Now let's check on these sausages here and the bacon. You can see they're coming along right good. This is about maybe an hour into this, hour and 15 minutes. I'm going to rotate them a little bit. And I'm going to spread the bacon a little bit more here so it gets some good even cooking, right? Simple enough, right? Meantime, just kicking back, hit the pit. All right. Sounds like the food police are in town. All right. They usually come out. We're bringing out the meat. Yeah. All right. Now, here I've got some SPG, and I'm going to flavor up this ground beef. Use what flavor you want. And I'm going to make some burgers out of this. All right? And this is not for snacking. This is going to be for the pit pasta, as you'll see in a couple minutes. Let's mix it up good. Man. Damn food police. Man. All right. Just roll them in a ball. You know how to make burgers, right? course, the food police are gonna have to find me first. Yeah. So we made them up to, we made 2 pounds up into about 6 burgers here. And just shape them up a little bit. Geez, you know all about that. Yeah, you just find us. They can smell us, but they can't find us. All right, let's put these burgers on the grill directly over the hot coals here. And we're going to be cooking them to just about medium, right? Oh, yeah. There you go. The sausage is coming along. Bacon is done. We're going to pull it off the grill now. Oh, yeah. Just getting hungry or what? All right, while we're waiting for those burgers and the sausage to finish cooking here, we're gonna chop up this bacon. Because you can bet this is going into this pit pasta. Yeah, never enough bacon. Just chop it up like that. Put it aside. All right. I think this sausage is done here. So we're gonna continue to cook these burgers. We're gonna move them opposite the hot coals. And before this sausage is pulled off the grill, we're gonna sear it just for a minute or two each side. This is where those skewer handles come in handy. Yeah, take a look at that. Just put that on a sandwich right now, you'll be good. All right, we'll just flip it. You smell that? It smells good. All right, just a little bit more to go. All right, I'd say this sausage is done. I'm gonna pull it off the grill. The burger's gonna take a couple more minutes. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna chop up the sausage here for this pit pasta. All right? You can chop them in large chunks or real small chunks. It'll be up to you. Good enough. No cheating. Now let's cook up the pasta, because we're almost done with the preparation here. And I've got some real rolling hot water there. It is boiling, right? And I'm going to throw in some salt, maybe a tablespoon of salt into this water. I want to flavor that water, right? And here I have a pasta. This is a large pasta. This is what they call a rigatoni. All right, and they come in various sizes, but you want a pasta like this because it really hangs on to the meat, right? Yeah. You know about that. You don't want any puny pasta in this dish here. Get yourself some rigatoni or even ziti will work. Look at that. Yeah. It won't take long. We're going to be cooking it al dente. Firm. You know about that, all right? Cooking your pasta. All right. These burgers are done. We're going to pull them off the grill. We got all the meat prepped now. And like I said, this is not your Auntie B's casserole dish. Yeah, This is really a meat pasta dish. I'm gonna check on this pasta, and you still want it somewhat firm. You don't want to overcook it because we're gonna be throwing it in a black iron pot here for a while to continue to cook. So the pasta's done. Shut off the heat. And here I've got a black iron pan, right? I'm gonna throw a little bit of cooking oil in there because those veggies we just chopped up, you wanna saute them just a little bit. Got the green bell pepper going in there, the onion, and the jalapeno. And we'll wait on the garlic because we don't want to burn the garlic. Oh, yeah. Now, like I said, you don't need to use 3 or 4 jalapenos because this is going to definitely be a spicy dish. So you can leave it out if you want to, but definitely add some jalapenos to this pit pasta. Now what I'm doing is I'm draining the pasta, right? You don't want it to cook anymore. Nothing like hanging at the pit, right? Cooking up some pit pasta. All right, we've drained it. Throw it back in. You know all about making pasta, but I'm showing this for the newbies out there, just around the pit for the first time. Now, into the pot, I'm going to throw a little bit of veggie oil just to keep the pasta from sticking, all right? You just want it to sit there. Perfect. Al dente. And the veggies are sauteing. Yeah, now I'm going to add that garlic. Just like I said, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic in there. Get it to where the onions are a bit translucent, all right? Won't take long. Now we're going to add some spice to this, and this is an Italian seasoning, all right? And it's just a blend of spices, including thyme, rosemary, sage, oregano, some basil, you know? It's called Italian seasoning. And here I'm throwing in about a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. I told you, the theme of this pit pasta is the heat. I'm going to just cook it up just for another minute or so. Now we're going to add some sauce. I got 2 large jars of sauce. It'll be about 32-ounce jars of sauce, so we're using about 64 ounces of sauce, give or take. All right. Use what sauce you like. Now to this, we're adding the burger, and the only way to do it is to crush it up with your hands. Now this is where the food police come in. Yeah. Yeah, simple enough. Break up real easy, man. Give it a little mix. Looks good enough to eat already. But nope, now we're adding a pound of smoked bacon. Oh yeah, just get it right in there. And here, putting in a couple pounds of that sausage. Give it a good mix again. Now, let's add the pasta. It'll be about 1.5 pounds of pasta in all be going into this pan. Now, if your pan is larger, of course you use all 2 pounds of it. Of course, this dish is going to weigh about 30 or 40 pounds when we're done, huh? Oh, yeah. Right. Say serve it up. Or, hold it. It's time to put on 3 different kinds of cheeses, alright? And you use what cheese you like. Here I have a habanero cheese. Again, we're staying with the heat. You can just use a regular cheddar or whatever. Alright? Now here I've got some Parmesan cheese, a grated Parmesan. Like that, alright? And there's a couple of cups going in. And last but not least, here we've got some mozzarella, alright? I'm going to spread it on thick. Now this is what we call pit pasta. We're going to put it opposite the hot coals. We're going to let it bake now. And it'll take maybe 30 minutes to get that cheese melted. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whoa. Take a look at that. I say it's time to eat. Got the garlic bread. You serve what sides you want. I'm gonna scoop some of this out. Now you bring this casserole dish, like I said, to your next family picnic. Oh yeah, they're gonna remember you. Take a look at that, huh? That's about 1 serving. You know what? As always, I do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but this here is pitmaster privilege. Oh, dang. So the next time you're looking for a pasta recipe for your barbecue, you check out BBQPitBoys.com.